Hi, my name is Sirju, and welcome to my YouTube channel. A little bit about myself. I'm currently a professional working actor in Netflix The Stranger Things experience, and I'm also attending Marymount Manhattan College, where I am a BFA acting major. I also have experience in TV, film, theater, and voiceover acting. My main goal of this channel is to give you good quality advice on how to accomplish your specific goals in regards to acting. Whether that be how to get a headshot, how to develop a good, successful resume, and even a step-by-step analysis on how to get an agent. On my channel, I'll also be uploading my personal performance videos as well as deep actor analysis videos on other actors. If that's something that you're interested in seeing, then come subscribe to my channel and share this with an acting friend who needs it.